So people has been saying this thing online. How possible Jesus preach to thousands of people without using any microphone? Because in those days microphone never come out. All these speakers, technology never come out in their own time. Moses, how can Moses preach to thousands of Israel without no microphone, no speaker? That Bible is a lie. That you should forget all those things that you are hearing. Bible say this and Bible said that. Now waiting people to talk. Moses preached to thousands of Israelites without using any microphone. How possible that all those things is a lie? People say that even though we pastors, even a small church, pastor will buy speaker to speak so that people will hear him. Even some say that even if you want to speak to 500 people, you must use microphone to speak so that they will hear you clear. That we should forget all those things Bible have saying. How can somebody will preach thousands of people without using any speaker, any microphone? That all those things is a lie. That Bible, all these things, Bible is not true. This is what people have been saying. If you go to the mountain, if you speak, shout in the mountain, you will hear your voice again. Or if you shout, oh, you see that you will still hear that your voice echo in the mountain. That is what happened during the time of Jesus and Moses and in those days, because no technology, everywhere they come. And when Jesus will stand to the mountain, when Jesus will stood to the mountain to preach, if he opened his mouth to speak with a loud voice, thousands of people, his voice will go far, because everywhere is calm, because it is on the mountain. No noise, no machine, no motor, no phone like people playing music, nothing like that. Everywhere they come. So that is what happened in those days. No noise in those days. No airplane in those days. No motor, no trailer, no horn, in those days. Everywhere they come. So when Jesus will go to mountain or Moses, he will open up to speak. Thousands will hear his voice. So that is what happened in those days. So do not be deceived by those things that these people have been saying online. They are trying to bring lies to convince you, to make you, to brainwash you, so for you to be seeing Bible. Now Bible is just a fake story. Or even you where they talk that thing in your village, our village, in olden days, if our ancestors want to do announcement in the village, gini ka haneje ma announcement, haneji ogene, when they carry that ogene, they will shout, Ohanezo. You see it? How can these people learn it? Some people they use now in this present world now. Some people are using then we buy speaker, put in their cars or in their machine. If they want to do announcement in the village early morning, they will carry that motor. They go around the village using speaker to speak so that people will hear their voice. But in olden days before, what our ancestors use, our ancestors will carry again. They will shout, speak, so that people will hear. But do it now, majority will not hear it because of technology. Everywhere noisy, radio, people will be playing music in their houses. Everywhere noises, technologies. That is what is happening in this generation. But in olden days, they are using normal voice to speak, to do announcement in the village, go around the village. So those people where they see where they carry again, they do announcement in the village. Then go shout, talk. Now they learn it for their ancestors, because now waiting our ancestors they use in their own time, because there is no noise in their own time. That is what happened. So do not be deceived that Jesus preached to thousands of people without microphone. Moses preached to thousands of people without microphone, and you are having doubt in your mind that it's not possible, because in their own time there is nothing like noise. Everywhere they come, everywhere they come. That is what's happening. If you go to village, where no noise like that, no technology like that, no motor machine like that. Maybe some of you people go understand what I want to talk now. If you go to village like this, like maybe your mother they look for you, your mother will they look for you, not see you in the house. I'm talking about village, not township. If your mother come out outside the gate, outside on the gate, he will shout your name. If your name is Emeka, your mother go shout Emeka. Your mother may go another place, shout your name. Why your mother they shout your name in that village? Because noise is no dey too much, no technology like motor machine and the speakers and all these things. Now let me come on. I want to tell you something. If your mother, maybe if on a township, and maybe your mother is looking for you, not see you, your mother cannot come out to the street to shout your name because noise is everywhere. Speakers, radio, machine, motor, restart, generator, all those things is what make noise in our own generation. Remove motor, machine, no speaker, nothing like a radio, no television, no airplane. If all those things stop, ma'am, even your phone, no earpiece, everything, all this technology, if they stop now, you will see that this world everywhere will they come. Without technology, without aeroplane, motor, machine, generator, telephone, speakers, radio, without all those things now in this generation, you will see that everywhere will they come in the world. Everywhere will they come in the world. So do not be deceived. All those things people have been saying online concerning Christianity to make you to believe that Bible is not true. They are trying to brainwash you. So do not be deceived from all those things that are telling you. Everything that say in the scripture is true. Do not be deceived, my brother, my sisters. We are living in the last days. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagopa. Shalom. If you're a Christian that you watch this message, share this message. Thank you and God bless you.